I'm going to be playing for you side by side two videos, one of chemtrails being laid down, the other of contrails being laid down. Today is April 17th, 2016. Contrails are just water vapor, ice. Occasionally it's alleged to include some exhaust. I don't know about that. What happens is the air passes over the temperature and pressure change around the jet engine area, and it leaves a trail of ice, one stream per jet. So obviously changes to the contrails would be uniform. That is, if the wind blows, it would blow all of them uniformly. So take a look at this. This is approximately 10 to 30 seconds after the jet left it. This is not a contrail. This is a chemtrail. Contrails are just water molecules. Chemtrails include nanoparticles that can use solar power and are motile on their own. They're typically nanoparticulates of inorganic chemicals, commonly aluminum, barium, strontium. I think they make others now, but I'm not sure. You'll see them in addition to the shapes that contrails take, the ones that I show here with the twisted kind of almost like a helix looking one, but it's actually just one buckling and rippling. And the other one is in these toroid shapes, these rings. The rings are kind of a new discovery, but they're very distinct. You can see them form within 2 minutes after the jet lays them down. Here's a high contrast view. It's a little bit grainy, I know, but I'll give you some better examples as this video goes on. Finally, the nanoparticles can have a variety of characteristics. They can be powered by sun, they can be programs, they can self-assemble as a matter of their geometry. And on the right side you're looking at chemtrails. The chemtrails laid down are much more persistent, and you also notice that there's some kind of self-assembly property, although I don't know what it is. It's not quite like the toroids, although I think I see that shape in there. On the left side you're looking at contrails, and what you'll notice is that they dissipate fairly quickly. That's the ice trail turning back into water vapor into the air. Taking the full screen now is the same clip from January 2016. This is about 45 seconds after the jet has laid down the chemtrail. You'll notice that they move on their own. There are actually clumps or groups of the chemtrails moving to the left side of your screen. We know that water vapor simply doesn't do this. It's common sense, and there's no explanation for why these shapes would take place so quickly. If you observe carefully, you'll notice that one side of the chemtrail moves independent of the other side. That is, what would be left by the left side of the jet versus the right side of the jet are moving differently. I'm not the only one who's recorded these phenomena. Many others have. There's a lot of disinformation out there, so you kind of have to wade through a lot of BS to get to it.